Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my last Ink Goddess Creations subscription. There's nothing wrong with this box. I like it. Very, very good value. Very fun. Lots of cool themes. It's just that given everything that's going on in my life personally, I really just feel like I need to pull back and just do my bare minimum boxes for right now until I can get caught up with my inventory. And so stay tuned for more on that. But anyways, this is Ink Goddess Creations for August. I'm super late, and I've had it for quite some time, but I haven't felt very well. So it's the Kitchen Witch is the theme. Stir it, bake it, cook it, make it. Which I've actually been doing lots of broth making, so that's been really pertinent, putting some nice healing into my broths. So here's a little booklet, Making Magic in the Kitchen. So with your information here, just like earth, air, fire, water, spirit. Using kitchen scraps for magic. If you want, so this makes me think of, because I'm also working on a segment that's going to be coming up at some point, because you guys know I'm so overbooked at this point. But elements in the kitchen: earth, air, fire, water. There's also a series on Netflix about food that goes through it just like this. I think it's called Cooked, and it's like earth, air, fire, and water, and how each of these affects cooking. And that can also inspire you both on cooking and also metaphysically. So check that out. So using kitchen scraps for magic, I use my kitchen scraps for everything. And I'll talk about that in the future as well. So eggshells, of course, you can make your cascarilla. Then, yeah, am I thinking that right? Yeah, I think so. Apple cores, of course, banana peels, orange peels, any peels. All sorts of stuff. I use milk as offerings and just all sorts of stuff. Moon water magic is, you know, I guess I can see how that could be in the kitchen. I typically don't use it for that, but still good. So very nice little quick guide for abundance with your fruits and veggies and your herbs and stuff. That's very cool. My main go-to is typically Cunningham's, but this is nice just for a quick and dirty. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I think this is an apron, and if it is, I'm going to be so happy. It is. It's an apron. It's so cute. Kitchen Witch. Oh man, I love it. I love it. See, this box is really great. I'm kind of sad. That I had to put a pause on it, but I really am just like inundated with stuff since I've been out of commission for so many weeks. So that's really beautiful. I love that. Got ourselves a nice little brown candle. It smells cinnamony. Oh, a beautiful sticker. Absolutely love that. Thank you for the Ink Goddess Creations purchase this month. So next month's theme, Spiritual Warrior, so that's pretty cool. Carefully open these. These don't usually come sealed. They usually come like just in the box, but that's kind of cool. So they have an Eclectic Witch deck already, and every month they add more and more cards to it. Cooking with healing, love intentions, money intentions, protection intentions, psychic intentions, and grounding. So that's really cool. That's good information. They're very matte, which I like. Very velvety feeling. Oh, I love this little measuring. Looks like spoons on one side and scoops on the other. So that's super cool. Love that. Very cool box. Very practical. Very fun. We got some pretty washi tape, but I'm not going to cut it because I see that it can just come up. Ooh. Oh, culinary blend. So we got Psychic, which is sugar, lemon peel, corn flour, peppermint, anise. Ooh. I can see this being good in like a tea, especially. Or like even because anise is really nice in like a lot of different Southeast Asian foods. So that's really good. And then grounding, sea salt, Hawaiian red Alea salt, onion, paprika, cayenne. I can see that being good in like your savory dishes. Like, it smells good and spicy. Yum, yum. This is great. Wow, I love this. Oh, so I got to look on the back of this. So, Kitchen Witch Apron, designed by Morgan, owner of Inked Goddess Creations. This cute apron helps you get into the kitchen witch vibe for some kitchen magic. Absolutely love it. Making Magic in the Kitchen booklet, created by 2 of IDC's kitchen witches. This booklet has helpful information for kitchen witches. Keep this booklet in a kitchen cabinet or drawer for easy access when cooking. Grounding and Psychic Kitchen Witch Magical Culinary Blend Sample 2-pack. Our 2 newest blends added to our exclusive line of Kitchen Witch spices. Grounding is a salt blend and Psychic is a sugar blend to add to your various recipes. Half an ounce of each. Kitchen Magic Measuring Cups and Spoon Combo. Easy tool to have handy in the kitchen with added kitchen magic energy. Kitchen Witch Decal. Clear back decal that can be added to kitchen appliances, your personal witchy cookbook, and more to add kitchen witch energy to your sacred space. Kitchen Witch Votive Candle, a blend of cinnamon, clove, and honey to add warmth to your kitchen for magical prep. And Cooking with Magical Intentions Eclectic Witch Card Deck Expansion Pack. 6 hearts on how to cook with the intentions of grounding, healing, love, money, protection, and psychic. So that was amazing. This is a great value. I love the box. I love the theme. I'm so glad. August is my birthday month, so I usually have really good luck with the boxes for the month, and I could not be more pleased. Again, just because I ended this subscription does not mean I did not like them. I am just so like, I'm just a little overwhelmed by how much I have to work through at this point. But as soon as I get back, I have a tendency to go back and try things again, so I'm totally down with doing that. So Ink Goddess Creations, $30 a month. This is their August box. I'm Brandy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so glad to be back, and thank you guys for watching, and I love you so much, and have a wonderful day.